In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily get your most important content above the fold. Now, let's say that you look at your website now and you decide that it's not optimized right. Let's say all your content is way below the fold and your homepage doesn't look that nice. Now, the easiest way to fix this is just change your website's theme. We're using WordPress here. WordPress is very easy to change the theme. You can pick a theme where the most important content is above the fold and exactly where you want it. So let's use my website, for example. I have my text here, it's above the fold, and I have my button here, it's above the fold, but it's kind of low, right? It's kind of towards the bottom of the website. So I want to change this. I want to move this button up here, and I want to move this text up here. Now, the easiest way to change this is just change the theme. So I already did some research for the developer of this theme, and I found a similar theme that he has, which is this one here. Now, as you can see, he still has the button here, which is on the bottom right, but on the home page, look, he has the text here, and he has a button here that people can click. So this is perfect. I just can buy this theme. It's 50 bucks, and I can install this. And look at this. It even looks like my website. It looks like the one I have now. The only thing that's different is the part that's above the fold. So that's the easiest way to get your most important content above the fold. Just change your theme. And you can do this easily. You can go to ThemeForest, for example, themeforest.com, and they have WordPress themes that you can look through. So go to ThemeForest, you can click here where it says WordPress, and then you just can look through the themes. As you can see, some are $59, $49. The average theme is about $50. And you can look through these themes and you can see which one might make sense for your business. And this will be the least expensive way and the easiest. Now, let's say that you don't want to do this. Now, the harder solution would be to redesign your homepage. Now, if you're not sure how you want to design it, a simple way is to look at the advertisements in Google. So let's go back to my keyword here, SEO Company Beverly Hills. You see these ads? Now, anyone who's paying for advertisements, they already optimized their page because they want to make sure that anyone who clicks this ad is going to perform a function on their website, right? So since these people are paying, each time someone clicks on their ad, they're going to make sure that whatever page the person lands on is going to be optimized correctly. So I'm just going to open a few of these so you can see. I haven't even looked at these, but I just know. Because when people pay for advertisements, they make sure that their most important content is above the fold. So I don't want to click on all these people ads, all their ads, because I know they're paying for that. So sorry about that, guys. But okay, let's go here. Now this one, this isn't that good. He just has his phone number here, but this, I don't even know what to do. So that's not good. Let's go to the next one. His website isn't even loading up, so that's not good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is okay. It's kind of really busy, but you see here he has get a free quote. This is good. And he has the phone numbers up here. So that's pretty good. This one is perfect. This is excellent. As you can see, his most important content is here. Enter your domain name and then see the pricing. Okay, so this is a good page where the most important content is above the fold. Because right away, the person can enter their domain name right here. They don't have to scroll to do anything. Okay, so this is a good setup. So you can get ideas by looking at the advertisements. That's the point of this. Here's another one. This is good. You see here, free site analysis, contact our team. His most important content is above the fold. You can look at this and get ideas. Let's look at the next one. This one's pretty good. We have the phone number here. Look, get a free demo, get a quote, pay invoice, request a call, toll-free number, and the get a quote form. This is good. Okay, so you can look at this and get some ideas. All right, so this is what you want to do. If you don't want to buy a new theme, look at the advertisements for your keyword. So type in your keyword and then look at the advertisements, and then you can get some ideas how to set up your page. Now, after you get some ideas, what you can do, as I say in the blueprint here, redesign your homepage. So just go to Upwork.com, which is a freelance website. Okay, then you can find a designer who won't cost you that much money. So you can maybe get your homepage redone for maybe 50 or 60 bucks if you want to go that route. Okay, so very simple. So as a recap, To get your content above the fold, the easy solution is just to purchase a new theme. That's going to be the easiest way. If you want something more custom, then you can search the advertisements in Google to get ideas about how you want to set up your website. And then you can redesign your homepage. You can go to like Upwork.com. It's very good. They have good freelancers. And then you can show them the other website and tell them that you want it to look something like that. Now, the only reason I don't really recommend this solution is because once you hire someone to like start designing your website and things like that, it might become an ongoing expense because you might have to troubleshoot some things. You might have to hire them again to fix it. You might have to pay extra money to make sure it's mobile friendly and things like that. But if you just buy the theme, then that's it. You know, it's going to be easier. So either way, you have those two options, and that's how you can get your content above the fold. Very easy. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to contact me. Besides that, I will see you in the next video, and I will talk about call to actions. So I will see you there.